How do I know if my airflow has improved after a repair? You can tell by comparing air movement, room temperature, comfort, and system performance before and after the repair. After the repair, stand near the same vents and feel whether more air is coming out than before. Check several rooms because one strong vent does not prove that the entire system is working well. Use an inexpensive thermometer to compare the temperature in the room with the temperature of the air leaving the vent. Let the heating or cooling system run for about 15 minutes, then notice whether the room reaches a comfortable temperature more quickly and stays there. Listen for changes too, such as less whistling, rattling, or strain from the blower. A useful test is to hold a thin tissue near each vent. It should move steadily, although this does not measure airflow precisely. For a more accurate check, a technician can measure airflow and static pressure, which is the resistance inside the duct system, and compare those readings with the equipment requirements. Also check the return grill, because a blocked return can make supply vents feel weak even when the repair itself was done correctly. One common mistake is judging airflow with your hand alone, since your skin can feel cool air strongly even when the volume is low. Compare several vents or use a tissue test instead. Another mistake is closing many vents to force more air into one room, because this can increase pressure and stress the system. Keep vents open unless a professional has balanced the system. People also sometimes replace a filter with one that is too restrictive, so use the size and airflow rating recommended for your equipment and check whether the filter is dirty. If airflow is still weak, uneven, or noisy after the repair, ask for measured airflow and static pressure rather than accepting a guess. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts or contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.